Hello, this is Marlene with WTI, and here I am with these wonderful sneakers from Adidas. These are the Kaptir running shoes for men. Now, I have to say that my husband absolutely loves these shoes. Now, let me go ahead and show you all the good reasons why he loves them. He loves them because they are super comfortable. He says that he feels that they form to his feet, and he never owned a pair of sneakers that were so comfortable like these. So when it comes to running, hiking, or doing any sport, they are super comfortable. He feels like he can easily run, easily walk, and actually walk for a long distance, and he doesn't feel like his feet hurt at any point. So that is really cool when it comes to a shoe. Now, when it comes to the maintenance of the shoe, that here come into the picture. I'm the one who cleans them, so I go ahead and just put them in a shoe bag and wash them in the washer and dry them, and they are good to go. So that is a plus, that they are super low maintenance too. So again, if you are looking for a pair of sneakers to go for a run, for walking, for working, I would definitely recommend these running shoes from Adidas. But hey, that is just my point of view.